Introducing the TOOLTOP T7 Thermal Imaging Camera, your compact and powerful thermal solution for mobile diagnostics. Equipped with a 256 by 192 high-resolution infrared sensor, the T7 delivers crystal-clear thermal imaging. Its 25 Hz frame rate ensures smooth, real-time visuals without lag, making it ideal for detecting faults in solar panels, electrical components, and power devices. With a wide temperature measurement range from -15 to 600 degrees Celsius, the T7 supports precise detection of high, low, and center temperatures. You can also mark points, lines, and rectangular zones to track regional temperature changes and trigger alarms for hot spots. The optical lens is built from high transmittance germanium with a 93% efficiency rate, and there's an optional magnetic macro lens for close-up inspections. The minimum observable component size is just 2 by 1 mm, perfect for detailed circuit diagnostics. Use the T7 with its dedicated mobile app to capture photos and videos, review thermal readings, and perform professional analysis anytime, anywhere. It supports storage in your phone's gallery for easy access and sharing. Designed for convenience, the T7 weighs only 23 grams and measures just 25 by 40 by 14 millimeters. It connects via Type-C to Android phones and supports 14 languages including English, Spanish, French, and Japanese. The device is IP54 rated, built to withstand dust and light splashes, and operates in temperatures from -10 to 75 degrees Celsius. Just avoid extreme environments like high heat or strong magnetic fields for optimal performance. Inside the box, you'll find the T7 Imager, a user manual, a cleaning cloth, a box, and a storage bag, everything you need to get started right out of the package.